Okay guys, so we are heading on the road. Yeah, we are gonna get some. I get some food. Buy food. That's not really so 100 in a box. Oh wow! All right, and make me see how much we have. Now, when me looking at the old something, let me see Jamaican money, the new one from the last time I did there, and the old one. So I have to ask brother, say, them are still good. What we can get with this? 100, 200, 300, 400, 450, 450. Me not can go on. 450. 450. So what can 450 Jamaican dollar get you? I don't want to know. Let me know. And we are gonna figure it out today. We are gonna figure it out. Let's go. Just so. Yeah, figure this out. Why? I say, come in and say the people they want to give me a heart attack karate. Can you imagine? You can't bother. Taxi driver is stressed me, bro. I'm not like. I have to come down now, man. Alright, guys. So the first order of business, if you have US money, you want to put your China money, you want to change. So then exchange rate at 140. So you need street cash. So when you walk on the street, you make sure you spend Jamaican dollars with the local. Then that way they don't really get targeted or anything like that. So yeah, first order business, okay? Money done. Money done. That's crazy. In Jamaica, where are you? The box me ako niyama. You hear me? The box. Believe. Watch this. No. Smell it right now. Smell it. Coconut oil, castor oil and honey. All natural. All natural. Which part them can find you? Yeah man, you know they can find me right to say the squash about. Ocho Rios. Yeah, man. Every day. Every day. Love it, love it, love it. So guys, if you don't want an all natural Jamaican black castor oil for you put in on your ear. You see how my ear grow long? Yeah man, I eat this. I don't know all natural honey. That way they if you know back weak and you know sicky, you know have flu and them thing there, only the right thing. See there? Get rid of everything. See there? Nice. That is it. Yeah, man. Classic.
Good to go, you know?
Good to go.
Anytime, any day. Right at the Ocho Rios. Scotia Bank.
Support the local vendor, them guys. That is it. Alright, maybe go look now. Yeah, go run. Shop nice, much nice things. Hey. Me love how you just always keep your shop clean. That me like. Yeah. This is it guys. All of your Jamaican souvenir. Earrings, bracelet, shot glass, carving, bathing suit, marina. Everything. Everything there. Everything there. Nice. Turtle never fail in a man. Get all the name carved out on the turtle, yeah. People might say I'm in the streets. I'm in just each up somewhere, you know. Yeah, bro. Jesus. Oysters, alright. What am I doing? Onion them thing there. I know bad. Wanna see how it go? Apple?
Than 200, I may have a bag for $200.
No, man, 176.
You good?
What's in a green like 600, 700.
How much I give one for?
At 200
$200 of it. This good. And this one. Yeah, you want the black one, they were sweet. Yeah, I appreciate it. Thank you.
Come back again. There's
Thanks, yeah?
you know why too small one?
Yeah, alright.
I drop off. Look, you have here the service, alright? Sweet. Up here, man. Come on, we down to raw. Jamaican apple. How to eat the apple sweet. Well,
Push it, could do better.
better. That is it. So she deserve it then.
Real.
For real. Love that, love that. Smell of yourself. What's it?
Wagwan.
Wagwan, what's it?
I'm there, man.
What's your bag?
Yeah, 150 and 200.
Alright, me 150. That's right. Yeah. I'm in Jamaica. Where are you? Period. I know, right? I'm going to stay now. I'm going to go back. I'm going to let me down out here. You don't know the limit. I'm a rusty peanut and I eat me a grand shell down right now. Yeah, I know, right? I want to look up and down. Up and down. I'm going to drive for me that. Alright, ready for me? We're on a tour. No. No, we're not. Limit, man. Limit yourself. Yeah, one already?
Get 2 more.
Alright.
Get 2 more.
Jesus Christ, I'm not gonna say.
Yeah, go.
Hello. Let me just name so. Watch it. You don't want some them pack up the car like a sardine.
Auntie. Hello. Money. Money.
Mas one there so.
Put on your foot now. Put in your foot now, brother.
Hello go guys. Carry the pot like a sardine. Anyway, we got our roasted peanuts. I'm gonna go cost me to work.
Hello. One beer.
Why am I not gonna let me enjoy myself for my birthday celebration? Why? Could be better. Could be better. 10 out of 10. Recommend. Everything was good. Favorite, the KFC barbecue 10. Still slap, just like before. Also the roasted peanut, that was good as well. The Jamaica apple, or the apple as I call it, that was good. And for food at the resort, I would have say the fried chicken, that was good, took by surprise, and the rice and peas and the jerk chicken, they did a good job them all that. But overall, if you're there, if you ever come out the Ocho Rios, the slide is a must. Even if you're afraid of it, just try it at least once. It's a great experience. Yeah, you have to go come out your mouth, maybe you pass out a few times, almost drown, but it's fine. It's the experience that you get to talk about it, right? Yeah. But yeah, overall I had a great time with the family. It was nice. Big up on yourself. Everybody do remember to like, comment, share and subscribe if you haven't as yet. Thank you so much for watching as always. Love all of alone. Bye.